If we look at the state of the AEC industry today, it has drastically changed in recent years. We're seeing digital transformations positively influence the decisions being made across all aspects of our customers' businesses. Just over the last year and a half, online and virtual collaborative environments have become absolutely critical for planners, designers, contractors, and also owner organizations. Yet despite this shift through technology, connected workflows between design and geospatial teams has remained elusive. This is important because we've seen more and more organizations seek to blend design data with a geospatial context to gather a better opinion and understanding of the natural and built environment. In fact, we ran a survey with Autodesk customers and found that 93% wanted GIS data integrated into their design tools. And in fact, 83% said that GIS data was fundamentally important to the work they do. And yet, only 20% felt that the integrations available today were easy to adopt and use. There are several macro trends that are impacting the world around us that the industry must respond to. Take, for example, a building or road, perhaps a railway station or residential development. Understanding vital projects like these within their larger contextual environment is really important. It helps us improve the way we plan, design, build, and maintain assets with consideration for the real world around them. This is absolutely key for successfully tackling global trends such as population growth, water scarcity, and climate change through more resilient and sustainable approaches. The Autodesk and Esri partnership is a compelling event that focuses the industry on how we can address these global challenges together. Our intent is to reduce the inefficiencies in how BIM and GIS information is exchanged by creating frictionless, live and native data flow between engineering and GIS platforms. The streamlined flow of information enables teams with specialized and unique skills to make better decisions from planning, construction and operations. The first integration through the partnership was functionality built into InfraWorks, an Autodesk civil design desktop product. That capability was called the Autodesk Connector for ArcGIS for InfraWorks. If you're not familiar, InfraWorks is a visually immersive environment where designers can create conceptual design in the context of what exists, helping them make better decisions based on the impact their plans may have on existing infrastructure, such as underground utilities. With the connector in InfraWorks, a designer can connect to historic underground utilities GIS data directly in ArcGIS and add that information right into their InfraWorks model. With design and GIS data combined, the designer can then examine all utility assets and their associated properties. If there are any questions about the completeness of the information they have, designers can request a field team to go out to validate that information. The field team can connect to the same information the designer has access to and update new information to the feature layer while in the field. Instead of having to request for a new shapefile, designers simply refresh their model in InfraWorks. And since the connection to the GIS data is live, the new information is directly reflected in the model, allowing users to identify potential conflicts and quickly resolve it. The next product integration was between Civil 3D and ArcGIS. In Civil 3D, ArcGIS features are saved as Civil 3D objects, including the ability to create pipe networks from the different parts coming in from ArcGIS, saving users valuable design time. The connector for ArcGIS capabilities added to InfraWorks and Civil 3D provide a compelling value to designers. No other civil design authoring software has the ability to connect directly to GIS data and analyze results. These integrations enable a new way of working that allows cross-functional teams to streamline the data flow between two different systems, resulting in better collaboration and decision-making throughout the lifecycle of a project. Now, imagine the value that could be gained with the ability to use BIM data, documentation, and respective geospatial location and condition in real time across all phases of an asset's lifecycle. The latest effort in our partnership with Esri does just that, with the establishment of a cloud-to-cloud connection between ArcGIS and the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Cloud-based BIM and GIS collaboration provides owners, project managers, designers, engineers, contractors, and maintenance and operations professionals with easy and immediate access to project information that is integrated with geospatial context, reducing the need for data conversion and offering more secure connections between disparate systems. And with the launch of ArcGIS GeoBIM, we've brought a new joint offering to market that includes ArcGIS GeoBIM and Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. Utilizing ArcGIS GeoBIM and BIM Collaborate Pro together, AEC professionals can deliver web applications to explore and collaborate on integrated design and GIS information configured to their needs, easing communications and improving decisions during planning, design, construction, and operations. BIM and GIS cloud collaboration with ArcGIS GeoBIM and BIM Collaborate Pro unites multidisciplinary teams and places data at the center of everything they do, enabling project owners and AEC design teams to better manage risks, costs, and timelines. The commitment of our alliance with Esri is to build robust solutions and support workflows that help remove the silos between GIS and AEC designers and owners. By creating more connected workflows across all project stakeholders, we can make it easier to build a better, more sustainable future for all.